Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to go over today for August 8th, Wednesday. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, so let's start talking about cryptocurrencies as of today. Here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that there's been just absolute a lot of pretty well negative down day moves with Bitcoin. This is a good day to test this strategy. So all in all, when I look at my strategy report, it comes back with the same pairs I put up yesterday, and they're all down. So I'm not going to bother to show you. I'll just show you one as a verification. So if I go over into investing.com, I just want to show you that Bitcoin USD is down, down 0.8. Reason for that is there was some news on a futures contract for our futures for Bitcoin got denied. A lot of negative news on that. So as a result, the Bitcoin, when it peaked at 8,000 last week, is now down a quarter. So does not make me shake my boots, but I just want to show you one of the hand-picked pairs here, BCH BNB, which I reported is down 5.47%, as we have gone. This is the first day where this fails. So, but still, I'm going to show you something that kind of can work. So when you look at the daily, here's a strong sell on the signals. On the daily, usually when we look at the intraday, we usually get buy signals, but we get strong sell on the hourly, 15-minute, and even on the 5-minute. So that's what I've been getting all along with these pairs listed here. As you know, hopefully, I do have my backup strategy here, which will go into CoinMarketCap and find anything that may be profitable for the day. Usually out of that, there's going to be something. So let's check out what that something might be. So if we go back into our investing.com, we can see here we have Holo Hotbit, or I don't know, Holo Bitcoin is the base. You can see here it's now up 10% for a down day. Okay, so even if we were to just poo-poo the day on these, looking at these reports, there's going to be something moving, profitable, and that just popped because it was negative like 10 minutes ago. So let's see what's going on here. So you can see here we have a buy signal. That's the hourly. The daily's now moved to a buy. So the 15-minute is buy and neutral, and buy and neutral on the 5-minute. So there is something there that is causing this to move. Knowing that, we can build scripts around to watch that particular one. We can add that to our watch list for the day, let's say. And if there's anything moving, we can definitely add that to the position manager, as we can do typical scalping or buy the dips or whatever for that particular coin. So let me just check on the volume of that just to see if I can see any volume in here at all. So the volume is quite high at 2.9 million, or is that billion? I can never, if that's I guess I'm going to assume that's a comma. So that's 2.9 billion. Now, I just discovered a exchange called LAToken. Now this is for ICOs. This is apparently the hyped, where if you want to get an ICO listed, initial coin offering, this is the place to be. It's Russian. These are some of the cryptocurrencies in here. You can see that the positive move in the last 24 hours is 2.76. But it looks like Binance has it as well. But for upcoming, let me just show you here as a change. So we are at LAToken. So this is I just wanted to show you there was some sorry, exchange. There was a way to get. Okay, so this is the current hot code. Hot coin called Vicky LA. So LA is, I'm assuming, just no different than BNB, which is the base coin for this platform on the exchange here. So Vicky is up 1,700. Must have been listed in the last day or so. And then the next best one is Hot LA, positive 0.3318, which we've been watching. But if you want to look at some of the more hot movers, you can see here that some of these other ones, and these must have been just listed today. So this is quite interesting. This this particular exchange, there was a place where you can get listings, upcoming listings. So here we have a token. I'm just so we have a token sale. So I'm assuming that these are upcoming. There was a listing of upcoming coins that token listing form ICO listing. Oh, so I'm not sure. They do take ICOs, but again, I don't know if they vet them. I do know Binance is very careful on what ICOs they list, because I saw a YouTube video on new coins to get listed on ICO. They have to hit a certain volume before they will get put into the exchange on Bitcoin. I think it's like 25 million or something. So this is an interesting platform. I did check the API support. It is there's nothing here for to be honest. It's all either C++, JavaScript, Ruby. So there's nothing for Python. I mean, C++, fine and dandy, but there's not a lot. It's all in Russian as well, so I don't know how they expect the world to jump onto these exchanges if they're listed in Russian. But anyways, there is that. But this is an interesting exchange, but the API support is just not there. But I do think this is quite interesting to watch out for, because it seems to be one of the up-and-coming exchanges for ICOs, legit or not, I don't know. But as for today, though, if you are looking, bad day, but we did find a nice token that we can, or coin combo that we can trade with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me go into the Binance charts here. See if we can find anything on these moves. So, okay, so where's my search? Exchange. Okay, sell BTC. I don't even know where the search is. I barely use this thing. Let's see. So we got BTC markets. Let's see if I can look for the word hot. No, it's not listed for some reason. Might have to. Let's see. Basic. Okay, let me just do this then. Binance hot. BTC hot. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, so that's the hourly. So the daily It is up and down like a toilet tree or toilet seat. You can see the volume here is picked up quite a bit. So this is something worth looking at. But it is up according to CoinMarketCap. So there you go. Hopefully that'll help you out. We are still looking for the trends and whatnot. And this is another good one to trade. The only one out there as of now for today, Wednesday, August 8th. Talk to you later.